Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here first, guys. So we have Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Ace of Wands and High Priestess in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really responsible and you are someone who is really dedicated, guys. So whatever you take up, it may be in your work or it may be in this relationship, you stand by your choices and you have that perseverance to see it through. So whatever decisions you take, you want to complete that. And maybe in this relationship, if you have decided on this love, you stand by this person and you stand for this love, you put in a lot of efforts. Maybe even if there are some difficulties, you try your best, give your best shot and work well, make efforts, using your concentration, your skills, maybe, and trying your best. You never let go of anything so easily. So you are someone who has a strong heart and a great willpower and you are working towards that. And today, maybe on certain things, you are not clear. Maybe there may be some doubts or confusions, maybe in this relationship. You don't know what this person feels. So, some kind of confusions are there in this relationship, guys. There may be some misunderstandings or some doubts on this person, or they may have some doubts on you. And Pisces, I also see that there are certain things unfolding for you, certain good things, positive things. It may be a beginning of a new career path or some new project, something positive, something lucrative that is going to make you more successful and prosperous today. So you are getting some new beginning in your work situation, or it may denote a new beginning in this family. You are having a child with this person or they are having a child with you. So some positive progress is what I see, guys, with these cards. And though you may have a lot of troubles with this person, guys, maybe there may be some misunderstandings, but still you are feeling really close to this person. You have a passionate love with them and you cannot withstand leaving them, and you are very much attached to this person. So this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them, guys. And Pisces, I also see that there may be certain things worrying you, but you need not worry. This situation is not going to last long, guys. So even if you are having some troubles in your life today, those troubles are going to just dissolve and disappear, and you are going to see success, prosperity and good times unfolding in your life today. So there is a very positive change coming towards you in your work situation and in your relationship, and it is going to simply change the way things are in your life today, guys, Pisces. So you need not worry about the troubles you are having today in your life, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly, and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone, which is precious to them. You need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.